Good afternoon. It is the 28th of September. After a catastrophic loss last week, I had to get my wits together to trade again. And so today I made a trade. I just wanted to make a small video about it. There is an element of trade or trading that many times we can overlook. While there are strategies that you need, entry signals, exit signals, you look at moving averages, you look at candles, you look at candlestick pattern, and all this is good. You look at price action, you look at previous history, you look at support and resistance, and all this is good. It's helpful, it is necessary, and it's a habit that you have to build. Having the right lot size, having the right stop loss in your mind. While all this facilitates a good trading practice, there is another element of trading that is not talked about because it can't be measured or taught, and that is instinct. So let's go to this trade. I caught this trade when I caught it a little late actually, but anyway, so I should have caught it here at this candle, but I missed that. So after this after this pullback, I caught it on this candle, right? Then I had a very heavy drawdown, but the drawdown did not go to 30 points, so I was fine. The drawdown was only about 27 points. Another 3 points grace was there, and then the next candle obviously proved my analysis right now. Had the drawdown gone to 30 points, I would have got out. And then we had this. As I was watching, I saw a very nice buy signal here, right? And then this confusing signal, then another buy signal, and then this buy signal. So all this told me it's going to go up, and well, it did, right? So I was busy from this big candle on, so I did not see the trade. When I got in, this candle had opened. This candle had opened, and it was showing a good buy signal at the time when I was watching it. When I was watching the candle, it showed a very good buy signal, right? But I had this instinct. I don't know what it is. I can't explain to you because there's this huge buy candle here, huge buy movement happening. The moving average was right here. This dip had not happened yet, so the moving average was right here. And so all the indicators, let me just put on the RSI as well. Is RSI. Okay. Look at this. At this point here, you look at the RSI. It had nicely climbed, right? And the dip that was not a very significant dip. So I was very, all the signals showed that it's going to go up, and yet something about it felt, I don't know, not there. Okay, and I wanted to get 50 points for the day. So this trade was right now doing 47 points. So I was telling myself, should I wait for the 3 more points because it does look like it's going to go up, or shall I pull out? And I just sensed, let me pull out and let me just open another trade. I will open another trade. Now what had happened is I had also opened a DAX trade. At the same time I'd opened the US 30 trade. Was it the same time? I think the same time. Let me just go to DAX and let me show you. Okay. So anyway, long story short, there you go. Right. So I had opened the DAX trade. Like I said, I was not watching. So when I closed the US 30 trade, I closed the DAX as well. Okay. Now, and then I went on, I closed both. So I didn't quite get my 50 points, but it was fine. And then this price, the bottom of the price fell off. Look at this. It just fell off. And the trend, as you can see, has changed, right? I had gotten out of the DAX as well here, right? Because I was not monitoring it. I had gotten out. Now this, as you can see, is a very good buy signal. Now had you waited here, right, and said it'll come up, I would have lost some profit. But I got about, 12 points, I think 12 points, and I got out here. Okay, 10, okay, 11 points, and then got out, right? So that missing element called instinct is very important, right? Very important for the trade. Why? Because while you have all the strategies, while you have all of it, what you have to understand is trade is very, very dependent on you. Getting in, getting out, it's all dependent on you. So now imagine I got out here and it had gone all the way up. Well, I'm happy that I got 49, 48 points over here, right? 47 points. So I'm happy. So with this and with DAX, I made my 50 points for the day. So now I'm waiting for another opportunity. Look at this now, right? Then go to NAS. Yeah, I missed a good opportunity here, but that's fine. I just wait for a retrace now. Now I'm not going to get into the trade now. Wait for a retrace, wait for it to come touch the red, and then take another trade. Now what I would have done in the past is I would have got so excited. Oh man, it's what a beautiful downtrend. You could have got into it. No, no, let's just wait. And same. So all of them are setting up for a good trade. I would say in the next 2 to 3 candles, you'll have a very good trade setup. So this video was just to tell you that you need more than just strategy. You also need instinct, and instinct is always see, for us it's I can't explain this to anyone else, but since you guys know what I'm talking about, instinct is listening to your spirit, and your spirit being tuned to the Holy Spirit. Okay, it sounds strange, but well, that's the way it is, right? That's the way it is. Now DAX is getting ready for a nice touch in. I'm going to wait for it to touch and then leave the red moving average. I'll have a trade. Same with the UK. US 30 is a little bit, and NAS a little bit distance away. Yeah, that's it. May God bless you guys. Hope you had some value with this video. Also appreciate if you can, when you watch a video, if you can comment on it, or not just saying, oh, thank you, video is good, thank you. I'm not fishing for thanks and compliments. I want to see if these are helping, whether I should make them or just keep these opinions to myself. All right, just let me know. So if you came to this point in the video and you heard it and you replied something meaningful, then I know you saw the video. If I don't get replies from you, then I know you fellows are lazy. You didn't see the video. I will ban you for 1 week. Whoever doesn't reply. From the posting of this video till your reply, I will give you about 2 hours. Santosh and Amit, you all are the exception. You all will get till the end of the day.